Hello guys, what's up? This is Khalid and Amabira, and today we're gonna talk about the digestive system. Let's go! So we're gonna answer the questions about the digestive system. So first question is, what are the three factors affecting metabolic rate and how do they influence it? So the first factor of affecting metabolic rate is body temperature. Body temperature, why? Because the higher the body temperature, the more ATP it consumes, which means more energy. More energy means we need more food intake. So the body temperature is also the one uh, referring to as the core or the energy. So if you have a higher body temperature, meaning you have a higher metabolic rate. So if you have a lower body temperature, that means you have a lower metabolic rate. So up next we have surface area. So this surface area talks about the surface area of your digestive system. So the wider the surface area, the more nutrients or minerals and other biomolecules that your body is able to absorb and metabolize. So the lesser surface area meaning you have a lesser metabolic rate than other people. So you absorb less nutrients, less vitamins and minerals, and that's what it means for the surface area and the metabolic rate. So the third and last factor affecting metabolic rate is age or growth. So in age, as we progress our different ages in life, we eat different kinds of food. So when we were babies, we only have milk, some soft solids, some soft vegetables. So it's like as we grow older, our body changes its needs or its requirements for it to develop. So once we are a growing kid, we tend to eat more sweets because we love sweets and sweets provide energy. Once we grow older, we tend to eat more proteins, more vegetables, more vitamins and minerals because we want our body to last as long as we want. So age age the third factor affecting metabolic rate is age, because once we grow older, our body changes its needs or its requirements for us to fulfill the building blocks that is needed for our body. So say for example we eat foods that are rich in fats, carbohydrates, proteins, just eggs, and any kind of food. So what does the body do to these different molecules? So once we eat food, the body breaks these down into simpler biomolecules such as carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and glucose. So lipids are broken down into fatty acids, while proteins are broken down to amino acids. These are essential building blocks for our body to be used in future processes. At the same time, glucose starch is also used as energy or ATP for cells respiration and other body processes that involves ATP. So we can say that the fate of the biomolecules once we eat is that it is used as energy, building blocks. At the same time, it's also used for future future use of energy, which is stored in fat. So the organs in regulating blood sugar in our body is the liver and the pancreas. So the pancreas releases a hormone called insulin. So insulin allows cells to absorb glucose from the body, and also glucagon, which is also a hormone, releases is a it is a hormone that stimulates the release of stored glucose in the liver. So these two hormones interact with each other just to make sure that the right amount of glucose is being stored and absorbed at the same time. An excessive release of glucose or not excessive or a less release amount of glucose may result into diabetes, which is type 1 and type 2 diabetes. So diabetes is when the body either has too much glucose or too less glucose to be absorbed by the body. So guys, that is it about the digestive system. So the three factors affecting metabolic rate: we have the body temperature, surface area, age or growth. Number two, the pathway of food in our body from the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and into the anus. So fourth, we have the organs responsible for regulating blood sugar, which is the pancreas and the liver, wherein they release hormones called insulin and glucagon. Insulin responsible for the absorption of glucose, while glucagon is responsible for the release of glucose from the liver. That is all. Thank you.